Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway. So we're going to talk about the upcoming project to renovate the second part of Mandela Highway. Now this road we're on was renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. And Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. And this section from Spanish Town Road to the Portmore turnoff was renovated. Here you can see 6 lanes, very nice road. One of the best roads, if not the best road in Jamaica. However, the government spent 64 million US to upgrade this road. But they did not upgrade the entire stretch of the road. So on the left now, that takes you from Mandela Highway onto the east-west leg of Highway 2000. And coming up now at the stoplight is where you turn off to go to Portmore. So this is where, as you can see now, the road renovation ended. So the government is starting a new project called Spark, where they're going to be spending $40 billion to renovate roads in Jamaica. And this road will be the flagship project under that program. So at this stoplight now, you turn left, you go into Portmore. So this section of the road from this stoplight, or basically where you exit for the highway, east-west leg, down to the roundabout, is going to be renovated. So Mandela Highway is very important for the city of Kingston. It's the main thoroughfare into and out of the city. So as you can see, as we look at this road now, you clearly see it was not renovated. So we're not sure if it's going to be 6 lanes or 4 lanes, but it's going to be renovated. Hopefully 6 lanes. But the majority of the traffic, or most of the traffic, would have exited on Highway 2000 east-west leg or turned into Portmore, because outside of the city of Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town have the largest populations. So here is where you exit to go on the north-south leg of the highway, but we accidentally came on this road. We didn't mean to. Okay. So we're staying on Mandela Highway. We're just so accustomed to going on the highway that we inadvertently went on that road. So this entire stretch of road, we're going to drive the entire stretch of Mandela, is going to be renovated. Right, so Mandela is the main thoroughfare into and out of the city of Kingston. And the city of Kingston has over 1 million people, and it's the largest city in Jamaica and the capital of Jamaica. So with a third of Jamaica's population living in the city of Kingston, because Jamaica has a population of about 3 million, this road is very important. So that's why it's going to be the flagship project under the new program. We're now driving up into Central Village. So Mandela Highway takes you from Kingston to Portmore, and the city of Kingston, to Spanish Town, which outside of the city of Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town have the largest populations. So basically, this road probably connects 2/3 of Jamaica's population, or 2/3 of Jamaica's population use this road. A rough figure. So that's why it's so important to maintain it. On the left now, you have a lot of business places. You have Wisinko, you have Lasco, 2 of the largest manufacturers and distributors in Jamaica. And now we're going into Central Village, and as we pass through Central Village, we're going to Twickenham Park and then into Spanish Town. So with so many people using this road is a priority to be fixed. It should have been fixed before, but as you see, you have to do things in stages because of budgetary constraints. Now, these roads are not toll roads, so the government has to pay to fix them. And as you can see, there is a lot of space. Now, if you look at where the street lights are, the poles, that gives you a good indication as to just how wide this road was intended to be when it was designed. You see how far apart or how far from the main road those light poles are? That's because this road was always intended to be 6 lanes. So when they renovate it, it'll probably go to 6 lanes. It makes sense because Jamaica is growing, so you might as well just make it 6 lanes. So easily you can hold 6. You could even hold 8 lanes on this road and 8 on the other side because there is so much space. And you notice there are no structures to the left or the right of the road because when it was originally designed, it was to be 6 lanes or 8 lanes. So that's why there is no structure there. Now, sometimes you see structures along this roadway, but they are illegal structures, meaning persons never got permission to put them up. That happened on Hagley Park Road. A lot of persons went ahead and built right up against the roadside illegally. And when the road was to be expanded on Hagley Park Road, those structures had to be removed because they were not supposed to be there. And if they had applied for permission to build them, they would have been denied. The same thing happened on Constant Spring Road when they were ready to upgrade that road. Both Constant Spring Road and Hagley Park Road were always designed to be 4 lanes each. Even though they only built 2 lanes at the beginning, the road was originally designed for 4. And that's why the street lights and those things were very far away from the road. So there is a lot of planning that goes into these things. But of course, you have people who just build anywhere, don't get permission, and the authorities have very little power to stop them. You have to go to court and all sorts of things. And when the time comes, those structures were removed because that space was needed for the road. Alright, so we'll keep you guys updated on the Mandela Road improvement project. It's a very good project and it's definitely needed. That road definitely needs to be upgraded, and we've seen how the first section that was upgraded has made a huge difference with the flow of traffic to Portmore and even Spanish Town. No start date has been given for the project. They just said it will start in the next fiscal year, which starts April 1, 2023. So we'll keep you guys updated on the project. All right, guys, have a good day.